Fireplace show.
The Allegro series from Dynasty Fireplaces is another newer fireplace from us. And this is actually the replacement for the Harmony series that we had out before. The cool thing about this one is that you can do a flush mount installation or you can do a built-in. And we give you the kit right out of the box to do that. This fireplace is 8 inches deep and the flame bed is about 4.5 inches. So it gives you nice big birch logs as standard. And we give you obviously the crystals and the large crystals as well. This fireplace also has the top light, top ambient light, and also the flame bed lights can change color as well. There's about 10 to 12 colors for both. And the flame actually has red, yellow, and white.
Play with the colors?
Yeah, definitely. So in terms of the intensity of each color, you can also adjust that as well. I can turn on just the red. I can turn off the other colors and then
Changing the top one?
top one, yeah. And then I can add other colors as well. So I can add more yellow and take out more red. And then I can add some white flame to create like a smoky effect in the background as well. Yeah, top light gives it a nice ambiance. So you can change up what the logs are lit up to be like. And then the flame bed as well, you can change that to the color of your liking. Yeah, so we got 4 different sizes for this one. We have the 58, the 68, 76, and 82. Yeah, so the 58 and 76. Another feature about this is that instead of securing the fireplace from the side, like the Cascade series we had before, this one you can actually secure it from the inside so that you don't have to rough up your finishings along the fireplace. And right now, we do have these available on Modern Blaze too.
Thank you.
The Fireplace show.